Of course. Here's the Kawasaki Ninja 400 full details without start or end, just the core info. Engine performance. Engine, 399cc, parallel twin, liquid cooled, 4-stroke. Max power, 48 horsepower at 10,000 rpm. Max torque, 38 Newton meters at 8,000 rpm. Transmission, 6-speed with assist slipper clutch. Top speed, 190 km per hour. Fuel efficiency, 28 km/L. Chassis, dimensions, weight. Frame, trellis frame, inspired by Ninja H2. Curb weight, 168 kilograms. Seat height, 785 millimeters. Fuel tank, 14 liters. Ground clearance, 140 millimeters. Wheelbase, 1,370 millimeters. Suspension brakes. Front, 41 millimeters telescopic fork. Rear, unitrack gas-charged monoshock. Brakes. Front, 310 millimeters disc. Rear, 220 millimeters disc. ABS, dual channel. Tires. Front, 110/70 Rear, 150/60 Type, tubeless radials. Features. LED headlight, tail light. Sporty full fairing with aerodynamic design. Digital analog instrument console. Comfortable riding posture. Slipper clutch for smooth downshifting. Lightweight, nimble handling. Color options, 2025. Lime green, ebony, KRT edition. Passion red, metallic spark black. Metallic carbon gray. Price, India, 2025 approximately. Ex